Hey Kumi, let's go to Makuro. Somewhere a bit more quiet. What do you think, eh? Makuro. Okay, let's go.